Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself Aram Pandey from class 9th F, and today we are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know the pangs of anguish of being enslaved under a colonial rule. For every Indian in those days, it was indeed a Herculean task to fight against those powerful giants, the British. Those difficult times and struggles must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we do not celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision of our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. The idea of being an independent nation where sovereign power lies with us to determine our future places a huge responsibility on our shoulder. On this occasion, our thoughts turn first to Mahatma Gandhi, the man behind our struggle for freedom and the martyrs who made the supreme sacrifice for our country's liberty. We are also reminded of relentless struggle of our great patriots who liberated our motherland from colonial rule. Gandhiji was seeking liberty from both foreign rule and the indigenous social chains that has long inculcated our society. Every other Indian was guided on a path of self-belief and hope for a better future. Democracy gives us the right to live freely as proud citizens of a country. Today, we are fortunate to live in one due to the vision and sacrifice of our freedom fighters. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi at Rajpath where the national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. Also, a salute is given to national flag by firing 21 guns with the national anthem, and flowers are also showered by a helicopter. All the forces take part in parades. In the end, we cannot merely say that 15th August is solely about freedom. This day is plethora of emotions. It reminds us the pain of being enslaved, of the strength in unity. It defines sacrifice. It also gives an example that shows some power can be won with non-violence, and of all the things it makes us value and cherish the freedom we have today. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our